everyone! Today I will be making stuffed cabbage rolls that are delicious, easy, and diabetes friendly. This dish will use brown rice to add fiber and lean ground turkey to lower the saturated fat. A high fiber and low saturated fat diet is important for diabetics as it helps to reduce the risk of heart disease, insulin resistance, and obesity. So let's get started. I'll begin by preheating the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. To prep the cabbage, start by adding it to a pot like this one and fill with water until the cabbage is fully covered. Now that the cabbage is done, I'll carefully lift it in the strainer by the stem and set it aside to let the cabbage cool. Next, I'll carefully remove any damaged leaves and throw away. Then, peel off leaves one at a time and cut out any hard stems that would make it difficult to roll later. Now that I have removed 12 leaves, I'll set them aside to begin making the turkey filling. In a large mixing bowl, I'm combining lean ground turkey, cooked brown rice. You can use fresh cooked brown rice, though leftover would be great as well. Salt, garlic powder, onion powder, no salt Creole seasoning, and 1 egg. Mix together well. Now I'll place a small amount of the filling into the center of each cabbage leaf. I'm spooning in about 1/3 of a cup. To fold the cabbage leaves, simply tuck in the sides and roll the leaves just like a burrito. Then place it in your baking dish. Now that we have assembled our rolls, it's time to make the sauce to go on top. I'll stir together diced tomatoes with no salt added, a little bit of sugar, and some low sodium tomato soup. Now I'm going to pour the sauce on top of all of our rolls. Now, our cabbage rolls are ready to be put into the oven for 1 hour. If you're in a hurry, you can easily make cabbage wraps instead. To do this, brown your seasoned turkey until it's fully cooked, add the sauce and rice to warm it up. Scoop your desired amount of meat onto a steamed cabbage leaf that can be enjoyed as is. Now that it's been an hour, it's time for us to take them out the oven. These stuffed cabbage rolls look and smell so delicious. I'm serving this dish with a side of fresh strawberries and a cucumber tomato salad with a balsamic dressing. This salad not only adds vitamins and nutrients, but also a variety of flavors. These stuffed cabbage rolls will serve 6. You can save any leftovers in the fridge for 3 to 4 days or in the freezer for 2 to 3 months. The recipe for these stuffed cabbage rolls can be found online at lsuagcenter.com/buildahealthymeal or in the description box below. So come on, let's build a healthy meal.